Hitachi's newest interactive whiteboard, the FXTRIO-77. It's a 77-inch board. Trio means 3 people can write on it at the same time. See that USB cord is right here? That's a connection to the computer. That's also how it gets powered. So you can use any projector with it. It works very well with the Hitachi Super Close Projector series. What's kind of unique about this board is the way it actually works. It doesn't have the electronics in the surface, but it's still touch sensitive. There's cameras and infrared sensors in here, and it shoots a beam of infrared over the surface of the board. There's a reflective strip here, runs along the bottom and along that side as well. All you need to do is break the infrared beam, and that will register as your mouse click or motion. See, my finger is not going to be touching the board, yet I could still move the mouse cursor. Now that works if you want to click on something. I just clicked on that button. I pulled up our how to order page. I never actually touched the board. It's great for special needs students or people with physical limitations. They don't actually have to touch the board. They don't need to apply any pressure to it. Are customizable. You can set tools you use most often there, or you can set them in the 1 or 2 buttons below. This is your standard pen. You can actually change pens. You can set your size, thickness of the line here. You can change line types. If you want a dotted line or a dashed line, you do that right there. Over here, we can select different styles of writing utensils. We have a pen, we have a highlighter. We also have the eraser here. We have a small eraser, medium eraser, and the large eraser. You can change it to erase a line and not the background image. You can have it erase the background image only. Or you can click that and erase the entire screen. It's going to ask you if you want to do that so you're not making a mistake. You say yes and it clears everything. We can select different pen colors here. Here we're writing in red. Here we're writing in green. Then do a fill. If you wanted to color the entire screen, you select your color down here and you can set it to any color you want. Let's say we wanted to save what was on here and go to a new blank screen. This button here pulls up a new blank screen. Now you can easily flip between these by clicking on this little curled page in the corner. Now there's another one down here that we can go to the next screen and we're right back at a blank page again. What the IntelliPen allows is, let's see, we can draw a square for instance. That's a handwritten square. If you wait a second, now it's an actual square. I want to draw a circle, it looks all kind of crooked and weird, and now it becomes, well, in this case, an oval. Triangle. You get the idea. You can draw shapes, it makes them into actual shapes, not, you know, handwritten squiggly shapes. You touch your fist or your whole palm to it, you can scroll everything up. Now you got a new area to work on. I want to show you the handwriting recognition. Again, in the IntelliPen, you can just write a word. Here, we're going to click on our word, and you'll see that little menu button come up in the corner. Now we can copy, we can duplicate, delete, we can add clip art or change properties, we can flip it around if we wanted to. But look up here, we have text for the word I. I can click on that and now it's actual text that everybody can read. Search for I in Google, search for I in Wikipedia. Those come up standard. You can add 2 more. So you can have up to 4 different search engines pop up. In this case, let's just search in Google. The internet will pop up and we have a Google search for I. Now we have a great image right here of an eye. So we want to use this in our lesson. We can click on it. We can drag it down into our lesson. And now it's right there on our page. You can add anything you want into a lesson during class, just like that. Now you can go online, register it. You're going to get a 5-year warranty upon registration. Free software updates for life. This is, in my opinion, an excellent board. I think everyone should at least use one of these once just to try it out. Well, here at Touchboards, we specialize in interactive whiteboards like this. We know what we're talking about. We're going to give you great support. Hitachi's got great support. They make an excellent product. If you have any questions, we'd be more than happy to help you out or send you a price quote.